Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between rolling green hills, there lived a brave and compassionate soul named Amelia. Amelia had a heart as big as the sun and a fiery passion burning within her to fight for what was right. She was known far and wide as the children's rights champion. From a young age, Amelia witnessed the struggles and injustices faced by the children in her village. Some were denied access to education, others were forced into labor, and far too many suffered from neglect and abuse. Determined to bring about change, Amelia decided to dedicate her life to protecting the rights and well-being of children. With unwavering determination, Amelia set out on her mission. She visited schools and spoke to teachers, urging them to provide a safe and nurturing environment for every child. She rallied parents and community leaders, enlightening them about the importance of supporting and empowering the younger generation. Word of Amelia's crusade spread like wildfire, and soon, children from neighboring villages sought her help. She listened to their stories with empathy and offered them comfort and guidance. Amelia became a beacon of hope for those who had lost their way, a protector for those who had no voice. One day, as Amelia was on her way to another village, she stumbled upon a dilapidated building on the outskirts of town. Curiosity filled her heart, and she decided to investigate. To her dismay, she discovered that the building was a shelter for orphan children. The conditions were deplorable, and the children were living in squalor. Amelia's heart ached at the sight before her. She knew she had to take action. She enlisted the help of volunteers and started a campaign to refurbish the shelter. She called upon local businesses, organizations, and kind-hearted individuals to contribute their time, resources, and skills. Together, they transformed the shelter into a safe and loving haven for the children. News of the transformed shelter reached the ears of influential figures in the city. They were moved by Amelia's unwavering dedication and selflessness. They decided to support her cause and invited her to speak at a conference on children's rights. At the conference, Amelia captivated the audience with her passionate speech. She reminded everyone that children are the future and that it is our collective responsibility to nurture and protect them. Her words ignited a spark within the hearts of those present, inspiring them to take action and stand up for the rights of children in their own communities. Amelia's journey as the children's rights champion didn't end there. She continued to fight tirelessly, advocating for policy changes, raising awareness, and providing support to children in need. Her impact spread far and wide, transforming the lives of countless young souls. Years later, as Amelia looked back on her journey, she felt a deep sense of fulfillment. The world was a better place because of her unwavering commitment to the well-being and safety of children. She knew that her legacy would live on, carried forward by the generation she had fought so hard to protect. And so, Amelia's story became a symbol of hope, a reminder to all that a single individual, fueled by compassion and determination, can change the world. The children's rights champion had left an indelible mark on the hearts and minds of those she had touched, and her legacy would forever shine brightly, guiding others to follow in her footsteps. Remember, dear friends, that we all have the power to make a difference, just like Amelia. The rights of children are sacred, and it is up to us to ensure their safety, well-being, and happiness. Let us be the champions they need, advocating for their rights and protecting their dreams. Together, we can create a world where every child can thrive and reach their fullest potential.